tell you what happened today while I put my socks. So I got rejected even before I applied. I passed the requirements because apparently the job posting was from months ago. They already hired someone for the job posting for the job last August. So it was posted. Sabi nila, it was for just the formality of the item na nag-post nila sa civil service website. Kaya yun po, yung nakita ko pala is matagal nang na-fill na fill ng isang na ibang tao. And yun, I didn't get the job. Going to try again to look for a job. And then kanina nagbantay ako ng palengke, tapos may bumili ng pata. Napakatigas ng pata. Ang buto ng pata, hindi ko matchap-chap. Buti na lang nandun si Rodrigo at matchap-chap. And now I'm going to church for overnight. So yun, hindi ko makakalimutan yung pata ko yun. Nakakahiya, nadurog na yung pata. And that will be all I will share. So I'm going to church. Stop sin and pray. The heavens so